Hello everyone, I am DK Meena from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 4 Jaipur, and today I am here with a new video of our lesson from the window of class 4th EVS. It is the part 2 of this lesson. First part I have already uploaded in my channel. You can see from there. And in our first video, we saw that Omna is going on a trip, and she started journey from Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and uh, on his journey, she saw many diversity in different states because she crosses different states. She started from Gujarat, then to Maharashtra, then to Goa, then Karnataka, then Kerala. She reached, so this type of questions can be our mind. What is diversity? Diversity, that means the different states are having different language, different food items, different clothes. So about this we will talk in this video. Now the teaching learning outcomes of this lesson: the discover the diversity as one travels from one Indian state to another. In this lesson, the children will be able to discover the diversity as one travel from one Indian state to another. Now, diversity in food items. So there is so much diversity in food items because different states having their own food items, their different food items, and you can see the Omna started journey from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. So she is having different type of food item in uh, her state. So these are the some food items of Gujarat. Number one is Dokla. Dokla is very famous in Gujarat. It is used as breakfast. In breakfast, it is very famous. Number two is Mothia. Mothia is a snake, and it is used after breakfast or dinner. Now number three is millet, that is bajra chapati, bajra roti, and in Gujarat and also other states prepare this type of chapati, and this type of chapati often prepare in winter season, and in Rajasthan and Haryana and Madhya Pradesh. People are also prepare this type of chapati, so this is very famous in North Indian state. Now next is special thali. This is the special thali of Gujarat. If you are going to Gujarat, you must have this type of special thali because it has many menus and many food items in one thali. So it is very tasty to eat. So if you are going to the Gujarat, you must have this thali. Next, famous food items in Kerala. Now, there are also famous food items in Kerala, and these are some food items of Kerala. First one is Sadhya. Sadhya is a traditional feast. It is traditional feast of Kerala. When Kerala they are having any type of function, definitely they will made this feast. Uttappam is very famous in South Indian states. South Indian state like Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, or Kerala or Tamil Nadu. And dosa also famous in Kerala and other South Indian states. And idli is also famous in Kerala and other South Indian states. If you are going to the South Indian states, that is Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala, you will have this type of food items. In North Indian states, you can't have this type of food items. You can may have, but and not that much. That is Kerala is having or other South Indian states are having this type of items. Now, diversity in culture. In culture, also different states having different type of diversity. You can see in this picture. Number one, there is a group dance picture of Gujarat. That is, this dance is called Dandiya. Dandiya is very famous in Gujarat, and in India, every people knows about Dandiya. So this type of uniform they wear when they are doing Dandiya. So another one dance is also famous in Kerala, that is called Kathakali. The Kathakali is also one famous dance of India that is found in Kerala. So when the participants of Kathakali they, giving their performance, they wear this type of cloth like Maharaja. So this is the diversity in culture of Gujarat and Kerala. Now, traditional clothes of Kerala and Gujarat. So number one, fixed. You can see the bride and grooms are here. They are wearing a special cloth, that is sherwani, and the girl is wearing lehenga and chunni. In South Indian state, that is Kerala or Andhra Pradesh or other states, they are having different type of clothes for bride and grooms. And when they are having weddings, they wear this type of clothes. So this is the diversity in clothes. And North Indian states, people wear this type of clothes like Gujarat, and in South Indian states, the people wear this type of clothes. So this is the diversity of uh, these states in. Now, diversity in language. So there is a diversity in language because the each states has its own language, that is called mother tongue. So there are some states name and spoken languages also there. The people of Gujarat spoke Gujarati. If you are going to the Gujarat, and if you want to talk to the Gujarati people, they will speak in Gujarati, but they can speak Hindi or English also, but their mother tongue is Gujarati. In Maharashtra, people of Maharashtra called Marathi, and Goa, people of Maharashtra speak Marathi, and Goa Konkani. The people of Goa speak Konkani. Then people of Kerala speak Malayalam, and people of Karnataka speak Kannada. So this is the diversity in different states' language, because different states has its own language that is different from another states. So South Indian states, North Indian state, these all are having different language. Like this, you can find the other states spoken language also your own. This is the video for this lesson, and thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.